Okay, now we'll see the practicals on the control statements or a loop statements and break and continue statements in the C programming language. So I have taken a very simple C programming language. Now you see here, first of all, what this is the header file section. Already you know that. So you take void main for convenient purpose. I'm taking void to make convenient. So I'm taking one integer variable. You take clr to clear the screen. Okay, now coming to this is our program. Now what is the program? So for loop. Okay, for loop. Okay, for I equal to 0, I less than 10, you check the condition. If condition is true, I have to print so and so. Again, where I have to go to the I plus plus. Again, check the condition. If condition is true, I have to execute this statement. Again, check the I have to increment the I value. Again, check the condition. If condition is true, I have to execute these statements. Okay, that is what for loop. So in the for loop, how many parts we are having? One is initialization part, next one condition checking part, third one is the increment or decrement part. So this is okay, expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. So for loop, how many I'm having the 3 parts. Okay, you take a slash n, okay, to make easy convenient. So I'm taking get ch to see the output. It means without using any alt F5 key. So get ch. So alt F, save the program, alt F, compile the program, alt F, run the program. Now this is what output. Okay, so 0, okay, 0 is not, it is looking on the screen. I mean, due to the that then due to the so recording. So there is 0 also in the screen. It is 0 1 2 3 4 5 8 9. Okay, so in this way I'm printing the all the values under the screen. So that is about the for loop. Now second one, what type of control statement we are having? I'm having the while loop. So alt F, already I have saved the program, open for 2.c, enter. So how to maximize? Like this. Now same, I have taken the same here. So I have taken same. So I equal to int main. So int main. So int I equal to 3. 1 second. So int main, int I equal to 3. So and then while I less than 10. Okay, so next one what? So I am checking the condition here. I'm checking the condition here. So if condition is true, I have to print so and so. See, this is important. I plus plus. What is I plus plus? I am incrementing the that I value. So what is the purpose of incrementing? So to make the condition false at some point. Okay, that is already I told in the previous video. So this is important. Without taking, if you don't take here, so this will enter into the infinite loop. Okay, it means the program executes and enter into infinite loop. That is what. Okay, so what is a while loop? You have to check the condition here. So then you print something, then I plus plus. Okay, now what is the I equal to 3? It is a integer variable. Okay, okay, do some updations. CLR SCR. So and then you write get ch semicolon. So you write alt F, save the program, alt F, and compile the program. Okay, so you modify it as a void main, alt F, save the program, alt F, compile the program, alt F, to run the program. Okay, so now what I'm getting, so there is a 3 also in the screen. So 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, these values I got. Okay, so it means what? Why I got 3? First time what? 3 less than 10, condition true. So then I am printing the I equal to 3. Next, what will be the I becomes 4 less than 10, condition true. So in this way I am printing all the values from 3 to 9. So when I becomes 10, 10 less than 10, the condition is going to false. So I am going to come out of the while loop. Okay, that is about the while loop. This is a control statement. See, that is what I meant. Okay, see what is now, see what is the control here. See, this is the cursor which is blinking, that is called a control. Generally when you speak technically, see this is blinking, that is called a control. Okay, so that is called a control statement. Depending upon the condition, I am executing this statement. That is one thing. Next one, what I am executing the same statement for n number of times. Okay, that is the purpose of the control statements. Okay, next one, what do while loop. Alt F open. I already have set the program for 3.c. This is the program for what, this is the program for the do while. So now see here, uh, without checking any condition here. Okay, so without checking any condition here, then I am printing the so and so value. Okay, like that. So then what, after printing first time, then I'm checking the condition. That is what do it once. Okay, do it once means what, first time don't check the condition, simply do something. Okay, then you go for a checking the condition. That is what do while. So run the program by doing some modifications. You add get ch. The purpose of get ch is no need of using the alt F5 key to see the output. Okay, so alt F, save the program, alt F, compile the program. Okay, you modify it as a void main. So that will I will tell in the unit 5, void main, alt F, save the program, alt F, compile the program, alt F, so run the program. Okay, so value 5 is 1 2 3 4. Actually 1 is there, it is not appearing on the screen. So 1 2 3 4, these are the outputs which I got. That is all about the for loop, while loop, and then do while loop. Okay, next one, what break and continue. So what is the purpose of a break? So I am going to break immediately. So alt F, open. So for 4.c. So this is what our break statement, using break statements. Okay, so these are the comments. Okay, so these are the comments. If you want to take comments, otherwise no need of the comments. So what is the purpose? I want to add only addition of two numbers. So read the program. This is a header file section, into main or void main. So integer variable and then float variable, I mean double to the float. So number and then sum. So this is our main concept. Okay, so I equal to 1, I less than 10, I plus plus. Then what, I am taking the some number. What is the meaning of lf? It is long float. Okay, now see here, see when the condition, mean when I take a negative number, okay, then what will happen, the condition is true. Okay, if I take number equal to -2, -2 is less than 0.0, condition true. Because condition true, I am breaking the this entire for loop. That is what, that is about the break. So now I'm taking some numbers. See how many I'm taking. I'm taking the 10 numbers I'm taking here. So run the, that is your choice. So alt F, save, alt F, compile the program. So better you take CL or SCR. And then you remove the int, add void to make convenient. Okay, alt F, save the program, alt F, compile the program, alt F, run the program. So it is going to ask. One second. So enter N1. So I am taking some 5. Okay, now enter. So 5 is a positive number. Now you take 4. Okay, now take one more number, it is, you take 3. Now you take one more time I'm taking the 3. So now what is the sum? 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 9 plus 6 15. Now I am taking negative number intentionally, minus 3. Then what will happen? It is going to break. Okay, what will be the output? 15 will be the output. That is what. Okay, I am adding only the positive numbers. I am not adding any negative numbers. When I get a negative number, I have to break that for loop. That is about the break statement. Now you take continue. What you do? Simply in the place of break, you add continue. That's what I told. Okay, in the place of break, you write continue. Okay, that's it. Now tell me what is a continue. So whenever there is a negative number, I am skipping that negative number. So I am taking small numbers for addition. I am taking 5 numbers. I am taking for convenient purpose. So Alt F, save the program. Alt F, compile the program. Alt F, run the program. Now it is for the continue. So enter N1. Now I am taking 4. Now I am taking one more time 4. I am taking 2. I am taking minus 2. I am taking minus 1. Okay, I have taken 5 numbers. See, even though I am taking a negative number, it is taking, but not making any addition. What will be the output? 10 will be the output. Okay, that is about the continue. What is a continue? Simply I am skipping that iteration. It means what? In this program I am skipping the addition of minus 2. I am skipping the addition of minus 1. Okay, I am not breaking here. I am continuing with the remaining numbers. Okay, so 4 4 2 2 4 4 2, which is equal to 10 will be the output. Okay, that is all about the break and continue. So with that, the practicals on the for and while and do while and break and continue are over. Okay.